Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Market. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set employee permissions and set a password. To start, go to More and Employees, and then Manage and View the Employee. From here, go to App Permissions. If you're creating a new employee and have finished filling out the first page of profile information, this is the next screen. This section of permissions are for the app version, which primarily affects the field tech role and what they are able to see and access on the app. This chat feature allows them to send messages to you, the owner, support chat, or customers depending on their permissions. The other sections have the same format for their permissions. They can have access to view all and manage, which allows them to add, update, and delete, or manage and view only things created by that employee. For example, with customers, if you choose View All Customers, they will be able to view all the information, but they would not be able to edit, add, or change anything. If you have View All Customers and Manage Customers, they will be able to view the customers and also change the information or create new. If you have Manage and Manage only customers created by this employee, they will only be able to edit the information that they have created and see only customers that they have created. You will want to go through each section and set their permissions. Towards the bottom, work order is slightly different as you can also choose what information you would like them to see on the work order. For example, you can choose to hide prices on a work order. When you're done, just make sure that you save. When you return to their employee screen, you can now press Settings and set a password for them. They do have the ability to change the password to something that's easier for them to remember, but if you go to this screen and change the password again, it will always override whatever they have entered. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other video on how to manage employee information and add new employees. Have a great day!